Q-Sales is becoming provider of a holistic system for the end customer. So as already shown, the batteries and the Q-Home Manager are one part, and you are able to cover the self-consumption up to about 70% with the storage system and the manager, and the missing 30% to be 100% to use 100% renewable clean energy from Germany and Austria can be covered with our cloud. So the cloud gives you a contingent of a certain amount of energy, of 100% green energy, which is adapted to your personal consumption profile. And this cloud, this amount of energy is also shown on your app and on your web application for this Q-Home management system, and there you can see always how many left kilowatt hours you have in your cloud contingent. I'm happy to introduce you to our home energy management solutions and storage solutions. Q-Sales is providing a solution basically for all customer needs, for all different needs. So basically we have two different storage systems in our portfolio, a DC coupled system and an AC coupled system. So this AC coupled solution is basically made for retrofitting of existing power plants. So due to the increasing electricity costs, it makes much more sense to use their own produced electricity. And this AC solution is completely independent from the existing inverters. So that means it does not matter which brand you have, you can always install this AC coupled device. So, and the big advantage of this is also that it's very easy to install. It just takes about 1 hour, and it's really nice and easy to install from one or two installers. And then we have the hybrid inverter, which is mainly made for new installations. So this is an all-in-one device. It has everything inside it, the inverter, the battery management system, it's all here in this device. And maybe I should mention that this has a storage capacity of 6.5 kilowatt hours. Right, okay, so and here the hybrid system is scalable from minimum size of 4 kilowatt hours up to maximum 20 kilowatt hours. The Q-Home Manager is made to use the electricity more intelligent. It's working on a weather forecast and a very smart self-learning algorithm based on the behavior of the end customer, and therefore increasing the energy for the household which is used from the PV modules, the first step. And all the missing energy, electricity, for example, winter month, can be covered from the electricity from the cloud. This Q-Home energy management system is installed in the switching box of the end customer, and it's communicating with our hybrid system and is increasing the self-consumption of the end customer. So not only our battery system, but also big consumers like wall boxes for charging of electricity cars, or as well big consumers like washing machines can be connected via smart plugs to this home energy management system. Q-Sales is one of the biggest PV producers worldwide. So you're investing into a safe, bankable company, and this device has a lot of good features, like the batteries inside are from Samsung SDI, as well a well-known battery manufacturer, so you have a high safety of the lithium-ion batteries. Then this device has an safety class IP65, so it's even possible to install maybe in a covered area, but even possible to be installed outside. And it has also a backup function. So you have two outputs. One is regularly connected to the grid, and the second one you can connect to some loads where you think it's very important to have them in a case of an outage. For example, maybe some lamps or the fridge or the TV. So what happens is during normal operation, both power outputs are normally powered. In case of an outage, for maximum 1 minute switching time, everything will be dark, and after 1 minute, it automatically turns on again, the second output. And which is quite unique is that this backup function is not only taking the energy from the battery, but also it's supported from the PV pump. It's even possible to install it remotely on an island or maybe on a mountain. But of course, then you will not have any grid, but only the second power output, which is only then powered during sunny days, of course.